are doing this ventilation course for the 6th time. We do it once a year, and every year we improved it and updated it. And it's really, this year, it became a really comprehensive and unique course, as it includes the theory the first day, and the second day a real good simulation, and the third day on real animal lab.
And we do welcome courses like these, and we tend to encourage people to come to attend courses like these. And I'm grateful to Draeger to actually have this course.
I came here for this ventilation workshop, and I'm really very thankful to Draeger, and it's a very excellent and very useful, informative academic activity. I really enjoyed.
I came from Pakistan to attend the Draeger workshop. It's a good experience to be here.
It was an exciting few days here, discussing and sharing clinical and therapeutic options in the perioperative medicine and critical care medicine with colleagues all over the world. And I really think that this is the future.